there is an assumption out there that trusts are only for rich people with lots of assets. What would you say to that?
Wrong. There's a lot of myths out there. You don't need to be rich to benefit from this. I think of 3% of $500,000 if that's the cost of probate in Florida, and that's kind of a minimum expectation. That's a lot of money in and of itself. At the time when you pass away, if you don't have the proper documents in place and you end up in a probate court, the assets in your estate are frozen. That means your kids don't have access to your money. I think around 75,000 or above, your estate is subject to probate. You need to pay attention to these things and have them reviewed from time to time.
Yes, you do.
It's all about keeping control of your estate and minimizing the misery for the people you leave behind. I can't say it enough. Those powers of attorney, you need them while you're alive. Once you pass away, the powers of attorney don't do anything anymore. Now everything is driven by your estate plan document, whether that be a will or a trust. But yeah, you got to have those in place.
Other than real estate, what else can be put into a trust?
Lots of things. Anything that's got a named beneficiary on it typically is going to pass directly to the named beneficiary. But you can put in real estate, you can put in your business, your LLC, you can put in your brokerage accounts. All your non-qualified or pre-tax type accounts are generally a candidate for moving into your revocable trust. This type of trust, a revocable trust, this is all about probate avoidance and estate planning, passing your legacy to your heirs with the least amount of problems and the least cost. This is not an asset protection type document. It is not going to protect you from being sued. And anybody who tells you that is not giving you the straight story. Those, in order to get asset protection, and I'm not a lawyer, but I hang out with a bunch of them, you'll definitely want to talk to one, but typically those types of asset protection trusts are irrevocable documents. And if that's a concern of yours, certainly connect with Greg, who can connect to our attorney network and get you some help around that.